Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the Caterpillar EMCP 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 2, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 and also the FG Wilson powerwizard controller 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. This all controller the main relay. Both controller have 8 relays. How to use this relay and how to rewire this relay system and how this relay works. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I have a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. As you can see, if you look the back side of the controller has 70 pin connector. The diagram look like this. As you can see, we have 6 relay in a series. As you can see, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, relay 5, relay 6. Okay, first of all, this relay contacts, as you can see, this contacts all is normally open. That means after we give some the command, this contacts will close to give the output to the user. Okay, first of all, we know this contact, how this contact works. These all contacts is basically volt free contacts. Let's not have any volt or like a DC AC. Okay, by giving the supply to the common point, we can get from the normally after engaging the relay inside built in the controller. When we press the start button, for example, the controller close this relay to get out our provided voltage. For example, our system is 12 volt. So let's see the another example. Let's look at a diagram. As you can see here, take wire from the battery positive and then provide to the relay number 1 pin number 51. This is our normally open contact, and then take out supply from the C, that is mean normally close. This is going to the our starting relay. Okay, all working like that. Okay, so let me repeat once again. The all relay, that's mean we have a 6 relay. Okay, relay 1 2 3 2 6. Okay, all relay NO contacts is volt free contacts. Okay, when we give the input negative, giving the output also negative, and when we put the input positive, we also getting output positive. But this all relay, for example, relay 1 2 3, this is the pre-program for the starting, cranking, fuel, and behind the back relay 4 5 6 you can program for your special type of purposes. Okay, this is the complete working and system of the EMCP controller Caterpillar and also the FG Wilson controller. The wiring connection and diagram is same of each other. So I hopefully to watch this video to understand.